Save everything. Guwahati Medical College. Etia jodi ami Borpeta Dhuburi praha otithi sokolok bad di diu. Medical College is virtually vacant. Tat kuno student, tat patient nai kan amar jiketa patient ase, they are very minimum. Tatu apnaloke data analytics koribo pare, simple data analytics, religion to lobo or district lobo. Everything will become clear. So Assamese, Ohomia, manpower mane etia scared manpower hoi jabo after 5 to 10 years. Korobat eta lora paleo ko baba ahto immediately bisari asilu tuk. This will be our situation in next 10 years. So those are crises in our front. Mukhyamantri mukhor pora hunat koi I want to learn about the crisis from the academia. Koto research paper nai. The 10 years ot Ohomiyar percentage ki hobo Ohomot. People should do relevant research. Adi relevant research nai. Ohomor manpower upor manav sampodor upor district moujaleke ami jabo paru. We don't have relevant research paper. Etia research paper bilak moi maje maje university jao Guwahati University moi khudu ki research paper research ase jibilak research teoluke kori ase those were relevant 30 years back. A research paper bilake future Ohom ekhon nirman koribo nware. Purona Ohom ekhonor nostalgia anubhob koribo paribo. Jodi Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, gute research paper bur sai, it is all about nostalgia about the past. Nothing about future. Moi naam kole okonman I will be overstepping. Kintu mur jodi shobdotu buji pai, it is more or less sokole buji pabo. All our research paper